Welcome back, welcome back. And honey, we are doing another alopecia hair transformation today, okay? All right. Girl, and the weave doctor had to do some of this dip color. Okay, this is a special method that a lot of people are doing on YouTube. Honey, it is amazing when you are trying to bleach some of these wigs, and it's so even and easy. I absolutely love it. Now we had to shave from the back of her neck because she is getting a full lace transformation. If you guys are interested in finding out more about this application and how to do this for alopecia, make sure to inbox us more about some of our courses for alopecia. All right, honey. As you see, we have placed that hair unitive on. And look, girl, it's looking amazing. I'm loving this cherry red. I cannot wait for this final look. We got some of our inspiration from Miss Bianca J. I absolutely love her. She does an amazing job on Instagram as well. So today, honey, the weave doctor, she is razoring this hair. Okay, this is a very, very, very important factor when you are trying to get a any type of a short hair pixie haircut. You know, a lot of people do not realize that you are not really supposed to do a lot of blunt cutting when you're doing that. So it's very, very important to have your cutting skills down packed when you're trying to do installs. And girl, look, we even gave her a little bit of slashes up in her head, okay? Slash, slash. Don't mess with the weave doctor today. The weave doctor didn't come to play. The weave doctor came to slay. Now I am applying our mousse. And this mousse, you know, this is another tip when you're doing these molding styles. It requires mousse. And some people even like to do this method while the hair is wet. Because, I mean, for doing a razor cut, sometimes it just really gives you a more precision haircut. All right, honey dolls and gents. So now we are having to mold that hair down. And this is another important step when you're getting these getting this razor, getting this mousse. And now for this part, you know, we just have to make sure that these lines are in right. Sometimes it's best to, you know, maybe practice on a short piece of hair or you know, the end of a lace. Because sometimes it's kind of hard to see how close the actual clippers goes. I actually am probably going to purchase me something I've been seeing a lot of down south type of stylists use. Something I've been seeing on Instagram for a while, some peanuts. So I'm going to get some those peanut clippers because those you don't have to do a lot of adjusting when you're trying to find the right size. And it seems like that one is the perfect one. A lot of people, they're getting the very, very low type of cut like we're doing on the side. All right, honey, as you can see, this is some work. Do not book this appointment and be rushing your hairstylist. They're not going to book you again. It takes a very long time just to color the hair. That was probably about 2 hours. So, you know, it's a very long process. We had to lift it with about 40 volume color, and then also we use peroxide developer. All right, honey. So, baby, we had to take it on back. We had to use some gel. Girl, you got to gel these edges down if you expect to get these smooth, lavish results. Now we are wrapping our client down, molding. Again, when you're doing short hair, add on an approximately 1.5 to 2 hours to the service because these things are required if you're looking to have a very natural and very flat result. All right, so now the weave doctor is working on the back of that neck. Yes, I am, honey. Girl, I am trying to etch and sketch my way to success today. I didn't come to play. The weave doctor came to slay. Some days I be coming to play, but child, the weave doctor came to slay. This style required all of the weave doctor's attention because these short styles, they are nothing to be played with. Very high detail oriented. Whoever performs this style, they need to have experience working with wigs and working with short hair. If they don't go to them, okay? These styles, they ain't nothing to play with. So we're just taking some more steps with this. And that's why I advise and try to make sure to tell everyone who is studying to be a cosmetologist, make sure that you get constant education. The trends, they change, okay? The weave doctor, just in this hairstyle, I've taken several courses just to learn how to do certain steps to make sure that my work is looking the best that it can. I'm not saying I'm the best in the game, but honey, The weave doctor ain't nothing to be played with, okay? Now we are combing this out a little bit. I think she had a lot of hair on her too earlier. And this is something that you have to do after we moosed her. We already cut her hair. So you have to blow dry this hair out before curling it, or it's not going to be as silk. Girl, look at them old school curls. What y'all know about them roll curls? What y'all know about that? Okay. This is okay. I know a lot of you guys not used to these roll curls, but this is an old school technique. A lot of these old school techniques, honey, they will take these short hairstyles over the top. Okay. All right. So now my client now is accusing me of burning her. I guess all the clients who get these short styles, they always think somebody burning them. This style does require to get very close around the edges, so it may be good, maybe put your comb in the back of the neck because the steam on these irons, like these irons go up to almost 500 degrees. So any type of heat and steam is going to make it feel like sometimes that you may be possibly burning your client, and sometimes you may, and sometimes you might not. Okay, so sometimes it's a thin line between burning somebody's neck up. Okay, now we are taking this section step by step, day by day. Okay, this is a part with these roll curls. You have to start from the top, and then go down to the bottom. So I remember when I first learned how to do short hair, and learning how to do the short hair is a task. It took the weave doctor years. I'm not even going to lie. When I first worked at one of these salons I was working at out in Northern Virginia, they actually used to be joning on me because I couldn't do it. And then eventually I learned how to. I remember one of the guys there who was an amazing stylist. I won't say his name, but he told me, girl, you finally learned how to do some short hair. Okay. It takes a while, you guys. So just keep practicing. So now, as you see, we're pretty much almost done curling her. This is a long process. So we're just doing the little roll curls, and we already layer cut her hair. That's another thing. You guys got to make sure if you're doing this hairstyle, the stylist needs to know how to know how to cut hair very well. If not, you're gonna get lost in the sauce, and the hair not gonna be bouncing and behave. Okay. All right, so now I think we've almost curled all of the hair now, and we're ready to show you the fabulous results. Girl, look at that back of that neck, child. Look what the weave doctor did today. The weave doctor did not come to play. The weave doctor came to slay. And look how that little peekaboo color, child, I didn't even intend for that to happen. Just shows you when you're doing hair, what the different, sometimes what may seem like a mistake can actually add some different, more highlights to your style. And girl, look at them edges. Okay, and this is a full custom unit. No hair is left out. We razor cut this hair, girl. We plucked, tucked, and sucked all the edges out of this hair. And look at that beautiful hair. We used a door color. I forgot which color. I have to put it in the later on inbox. You guys want to learn more about what color we use. But girl, she is looking amazing. This hair is just, girl, look how them curls are clumping up and gathering. Okay, and laying on hands together. All right, my client is looking amazing. She was very, very pleased with this look. Honey, she said she gonna go out tonight. All right, she gonna be FaceTiming people, okay? Because she gonna be looking too fly with her new look. Yes, another